Hey everybody, it is Wednesday shop walk time. We're a little bit behind. Today got away from us. So we're gonna show you Chad's car real quick, and then we have another car to show you. This is Chad's car. We've been working on it for a while. It's finally, I think, done. So we got the DRT grill installed today, powder coat by Competition Coatings. It looks phenomenal. So just a quick glimpse of this car. You guys will get a full photo shoot going on this car next week. So we'll post all that. So be on the lookout for that. We also are working on Joe's car. We've talked about it a couple times. Got the cage back today, again from Competition Coatings. They did a really cool, so they matched the cage color to the suspension color on the Azure car, and then the roof and the windshield frame is gonna match the body. So it's gonna be a really cool color, really good combination. It's gonna look factory, but it's tricked because of course everything we do is TMW cages, so they look better. I actually have two of these cages. So I'm gonna have this one that's going on this car, and then I have one for sale. So if you have this color car and you wanna trick it out before dune season, get a hold of us. You can see it on the trailer right there. It's gonna be a great looking combo. It's gonna be really clean, and like I said, TMW stuff is gonna look good and it's gonna look factory at the same time. So I think you guys really like it. I'm excited to show you this car when it's all done. We got some wiring to do and obviously some finished work on this one, and it'll be done by the end of the week. So keep your eye out for that. I think that's all I got. We'll see you tomorrow.